Hey, welcome back. In today's video, we are trying to create legends for our doors. Okay, so I noticed that we have one type of door, it's activated since we uh, throughout all the project. Okay, so I would like to add a lot family and change some of the doors that we had. Okay, let me go to the commercial and let's have some of them. Let's go to the residential and see. Actually, I would like to go with the. So I would like to use this one. So I would like, and I am going with the metric. Don't forget metric doors, and let's go to the commercial and choose this one. Okay, or you can use this one. Okay, let me use this and have this size of it, and let me change it. I don't want to add it. Actually, I want to select it and add it to here. This is the type I wanted to add. And let me go to the first floor and let me change it. And let me change these two. And let me go to the second floor and change these two. Okay. So I will go add more doors, load family, and I would like to have these. Or maybe these, okay? Let's add this. I'll add all of it with shift. Okay, I will say load it, no problem. I will just select it and I will choose these two with these. Let me see if it's going to be selected. Yeah, it's selected. These two. And let's change it from here. It was 900, so it's a good idea to choose nearly to the same size. Okay, this is the same size. Okay, and now we are set. Okay, so where can I go to have a legend? I'll go to the view, and in the create panel I'll have a legend. We have two types of legend and keynote legend. I will choose the legend and I'll say door legend. Okay, and I have to have it in the scale of 150 1 to 50. Okay, so now as you can see nothing appears, it's a void. Okay, so don't worry. So I'll show you something how we can add things here. If you noticed, we cannot go to the architecture tab and it's grayed out. All of these are grayed out except some of them, okay, are turned on. So I'll show you how we can add things. I'll go to the annotate and go to the detail. We have component and I'll choose detail component. I have repeating detail component, or I have legend component. This is what I want. I'll click on it and something like this appears or pops up like an X of green, and it says what do you want to have. Actually, I would like to have uh, a door passage single cold room here. Okay, I have two types, but I'll choose one of them. I'll go with this one, and as you can see, we have something like this. I would like to see the walls more, so I will choose I'll write 140 and enter, and I can see the walls better. I'll click here somewhere, and I will go to change the view to the elevation front or the elevation back. I will go with the elevation front. It's better for us. And I will go to change. This was called single. and I would like to see the single. This was all added up. I don't want these, and I'll go with this one and click on here and go to the plan and align it. This is very big. The door is very big, so we have to add more host length so the wall becomes bigger, or it's too much. Let's make it 160 and let's see it. No, it should be 180. Let's see. Yeah, it's good. Let's not complain too much. Okay, so I have single flush, so I have this one, so I'll go with the 120. I'll edit this and go to change it to the front elevation. This was one of the doors, so I can go out from this and let me see how can I. So I'm trying to organize it with this one and this to be down. Yep, to be in the center of this, and let's make this one in the center and make this one in the center. You see? So I'm going to align it, AL, align with this, and align this one with this one. You see? I can align it still here. And what I will be going to do is that I'm going to annotate and I will activate detail line. And I will have wide lines, and I will try to have a rectangular one and add something like this. So I will go to the detail lines and add these, and I'm trying to copy it, maybe. Yeah, copying it, CO, and try to copy it to the under below. So, or it's very low, so let's make it just full. I mean, to be fair, we have to have same height for all. Okay, so one here. Yep, this is true. And let's have something like this. And I'll add one more line here and have one here, and let's drag this here. Okay, maybe just let's put it down below and put it in the center of this, and let's align it. Let's see if I can choose the center of this. Nope, we cannot, unfortunately, but we can do something else. Let's go to the modify, to the annotate, to the detail line. Let's take the center of this, align it with this, and nope, we should have more. Okay, what I'll be going to do is that I should have more. So this is not the way we have to follow. So let's delete it and let's do it manually. And something like this is okay. Okay, so having it in the center of here. Yep, with the arrow keys. And let me have one more here. And let me add the detail line, DL, and click. And let's have our texts here. I'll go with the TX and add my text here. I'll say door name. Okay, and let me see if I can change it. Yeah, actually I can change it to the desired font that we did in previous videos. So let's drag it here and drag this one till here, and I'll name this uh, plan view. Yep. And this is elevation view, or family type. Maybe this is family type, family, door family, name. Okay, something like this will do the job. Let me just select it and just shift it. It's too big. Let's make it, let's make it something like this. Actually, there's thunderstorm outside, so I'm just trying to finish this and stop recording. Actually, yesterday was flooding in our city, so my God protect us all. So I'll go with the copy this one here, here, here. Okay, and let's have our type. What type was this? Door passage, single cold room. Door passage. Okay, okay, this is door passage. And let me see what else. This is, let's say, door passage cold. Okay, square shape. Okay, and let's have door, it was passage, single light. I think it was like this. Let's select it, single vision light. Okay, don't try to write all of it because it's not in detail. This family is single flush, is door single flush. And this is how we created our door legend. See you in the next video. Goodbye.